What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new educational video. Today, unfortunately, it's not going to be all uh, sunshines and rainbows and happy moments. What I'm going to show to you guys today is actually a part of online trading world. And whenever you get into this business, I want you to keep in mind that it's not always going to be wins. Not every day is going to be the same day. There's going to be weeks where out of 5 trading or business or working days, one's going to be in profit and all for the rest 4 days are going to be in losses. But this is how every business or every online business is. This is the reality. Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. The reason why I think I am where I am today regarding my YouTube and my online platforms success is because I think I am always transparent with you guys. No matter wins or losses, I'm always showing you guys the both sides, which I don't see many people doing, and it is really unfair to you guys because the picture that is portrayed to you guys is that once you enter this world, it's only going to be always green and blue and there's no reds and there's no losses, and which is really unfortunate because sometimes people are getting into this business with all their savings, all the money that they have saved up, whether it be a student or it be a 9 to 5 working per average person or a businessman or whatever it is. Everybody's getting into this business with the hopes that they're going to be profitable at the end of the day, right? And unfortunately, that's not how it works. But like I always say in my videos, that the goal is to win more than you lose. So what I'm saying is that you are going to lose. And there are mistakes that you are going to make along the way, but you learn from those mistakes. Like, for example, the mistake that I made last night, and I was in a trade on gold. 0.02 lot size, and I entered this trade on gold, as you can see, yesterday. Actually, it was today, 26th. Yeah. So no, I closed on the 26th, but I entered on 25. You can see over here at around 7 p.m. I would say. No, it's actually 5 p.m. My bad. So around 5 p.m., exactly at 5 p.m. actually, I entered the trade, and this afternoon I closed the trade manually. Now, my trading style is that I don't enter stop loss or target point. As you can see, my target point was set, but it was too late, and I will show you guys why. For those of you who don't know what stop loss is when the price, for example, you are buying, you're entering over here and you're saying that the market is going to go up, right? But your stop loss is going to be something that's going to be placed over here, for example. So this is your stop loss. Stop loss is that you're placing the trade that it's going to go higher. It's going to go above your entry point. But in case it goes lower, it's going to hit this stop loss and your trade is gonna be closed automatically. So you're closing in loss, but if it continues lower, your loss is gonna be much smaller than what it could have been, right? And this is stop loss. Take profit over here is the same thing. You're placing your take profit, for example, over here. You're entering over here, you're placing your take profit over here. So you're telling the market that you're telling your broker that when the price hits this point, your trade is closed automatically in profit, whatever that profit is. So stop loss and take profits are basically two tools that you can use to be safe, to stay safe in the markets. But mostly I am in front of the markets all the time during the day, and I like to monitor my trades manually. I will close them manually. Whether it be a loss, I will close them in profits. Whether it be, I will close them manually, whether it be profits. So, but my mistake was that gold is a really volatile metal, right? Instrument. And I should have placed stop loss. First of all, I shouldn't even be trading metals because they are really volatile. They only move a little bit to give you huge profits and huge losses. So I should not be trading gold or metals with small accounts. But I was so sure that the market was going to go. I sold basically. I sold over here, this pink line that you see. Let me just delete this. No, actually, no. I don't want to delete this. Okay, so I entered over here last night on this candle, on this red candle, hoping that the market was going to go low. Actually, I was not hoping, I was 100% sure that the market was going to go down all the way, touch this trend line, or even this support that you see over here, or previously acting as resistance. I was sure that the market was going to come down here. Now, there are many factors why I was sure. I cannot teach them all in this video. Those are for my courses. I offer courses, by the way. You can contact me on Instagram. It'll be in the description, the first comment. And you can contact me and you can tell me you're interested in the courses and I'll let you know. So I was sure that the market was gonna come down here. And it did. And it did. But I had not set my stop loss. Take profit. What happened was I was asleep and the market fell by 1,100. So we'll say 1,000 pips because on my broker, the price was different. And when I woke up and I saw that I had missed my profit, what I did was I set it to the exact point where it had fallen to, and I hoped that it was going to come back down later. It will, but nobody knows when. But it will, for sure. And when I woke up, the price was actually over here. And I had to close the trade in loss because I knew that after this strong candle, the market was going to continue up or going higher. So I ended up in 175 pips in loss, where I could have made 1,000 pips. I actually lost 175 pips. Now, trading this lot size, how much could how much could I have made using 0.02, which is my lot size, multiplied by 1,000 pips and times 10 to round it off? I could have made $200 just in one single trade. Overnight, one single trade, I could have made $200 trading this lot size. Now, if I was, for example, if I was trading, let's say one standard lot size, right? So you times that by 1,000 and you times it by 10. I could have made $10,000 in one night in one trade if I was using one standard lot size, which is 1.00. But I was trading a mini lot and I could have made 200. That's not the point. The point is that I made a mistake. I should be setting stop losses and take profits. And there is something else I want to show you guys. Now, for example, over here, you guys don't see the market falling to here. So this broker is Oanda, the one that's giving me this price, right? So if I trade with this broker, Oanda, whatever their website is, they're going to be showing me this chart and this OBV indicators chart. Now, if I change the broker to Forex.com, they're showing me this price and they're not showing me any OBV over here, right? But if I trade on their website, I'm pretty sure there's going to be an OBV. It's just not on TradingView. But if I change the broker again, IDC, they're showing me this chart and this price. So let's see the difference. You guys see the difference between the price and the OBV. I want you guys to see this. The price and the OBV. The price and the OBV. So when you're trading in Forex, you're trading against your broker because it's your broker who's going to pay you, right? So they don't want you to win, or they don't want you to win that much, right? So I showed you 3 different brokers. The price is not falling. The price is not falling down, not touching this trend line. I want you guys to see what my broker did. And let's see. Let's see what this is my This is my chart, right? And this is, look at this, guys. I entered here at 1605.75. The market touched, let's say 1500 exactly. You don't see this happening on any of these markets. Let me show you guys. You don't see this happening on all these three brokers. Look at that. Where is this long wick where the market just fell 1,000 points in one candle? Where is this wick? You don't see it. Because every broker is going to be offering you different price and different OBV divergence and whatever. So no matter if you're watching your charts on tradingview.com, please always look at your broker and look at the price and the divergence that they are offering, because it's going to be different than tradingview.com. So I'm going to place a vertical line to show you guys that this was, matter of fact, today, 26th of March, 8 a.m. is when this candle opened up. And I'm going to change the time frame over here, go down to the lower time frames to show you the bigger picture and exactly what time it happened at. So it happened at around the London Open, when the London market opens, or the London Forex session opens. So that is when this happened, right? I even go down to lower time frames to show you exactly what time it happened at. So if I move it to, there we go, 10:15, 15 minutes after the London session opened up, this is what happened. And I could have, if I had placed my stop loss, take profits here at the bottom over here, I could have made $200, but instead I lost $34 because I made a mistake. And I closed my trade over here. Once this candle closed, 4 hour strong candle closed, this became, you can see that the 200 moving average is acting as a resistance, support over here. And if I move this horizontal line a little bit lower, this is acting as a support. So this strong candle closed strong above the support, above the resistance. Now this is acting as a support. So I closed this market, I closed the trade, because I knew that there's no way it's going to come down anytime soon. Even if it does, it's going to take God knows how long. So plus it's an uptrend. I was looking for a small reversal. I had placed my Fibonacci, and this is above the 61.8. Now I'll be waiting for the 78.6 retracement, but I'll be entering somewhere over here, because this is acting as a strong resistance in the past and as a support over here as well for some time. So I'm going to take my chances again, maybe, if my account has grown a little bit, if I've recovered my losses. But the goal, or the lesson over here today is, guys, you're always going to lose. Learn from your mistakes. I made a mistake. I'm going to learn from it. I'm always going to place my stop losses and my take profits, just in case the market decides to do what this trade did to me, or what my broker did to me. So you're always not going to win, guys. You're not going to win always. There's going to be profits. There's going to be losses. Just learn from your mistakes. There's always another day, another week. You can always recover from this. But please, never make this mistake. Never. I'm over here showing you guys my mistakes and my losses, so you don't have to make the same mistakes and go through the same losses. You can learn from this, and you can stay safe and trade safe. And hopefully you guys learned something from this, and I'll keep making new videos showing you guys exactly how I recover from my losses, and how I go into profits at the end of the month, at the end of the week, at the end of the day. And yeah, that's it, guys. Keep showing the same support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.